Hey guys, just leaving the house. I'm on my way to a meeting, and I wanted to, before I go, I just wanted to check with you. One of the most interesting opportunities in today's real estate market is the ability to make renovations to your property, the ability to make strategic investments into your properties in order to really skyrocket their value, in order to really catapult their appreciation so that you can essentially force the appreciation and get an epic ROI. This is a great opportunity today. It's not always like this, but where the market stands in the cycle right now is very, very interesting. I'm going to be speaking about this at the Win event. What's important now in real estate, winning in real estate. I'm going to show you how to win in real estate. I'm going to be doing an event. It's a free event. You could join us and we'll teach you about how to invest in real estate. We're going to be showing you this in Toronto this week, in early September. I think it's September 11th. We'll be doing this talk. All the details are on the page. You're going to want to check it out, and we're going to see you there. Keep in mind, real estate could be an epic real estate investment. It could be an epic way to grow your wealth, increase your income, and really look after your financial security and your financial certainty. But you got to do it right. And how do you know if you're doing it right? Come to Winning in Real Estate, and we'll show you. I'll see you there.